Hey guys, I'm Yolanda Mabanga and you are tuned into another episode of UBUNTU.biz. Today I'm meeting with Mbongeni Mthembu, who is the founder of Monate Outdoor Activities, and he's all about inspiring not just the black community but all races to indulge in more recreational activities. And that's exactly why I'm here today, to indulge. So of course I'm going to find out how Monate Outdoor Activities actually started, what it's all about, what the future holds, the challenges and everything else in between. So be sure to join me as we know about this, we'll talk about this and more. Mbongeni, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me today and inviting me to this grand experience. How am I with a journey?
Yeah, it is. It is.
I left Durban, I think like, 3-4 hours ago to come here.
Yeah.
It's definitely worth the experience. I actually underestimated this hike.
Yes. Yeah.
But wow, Monate experience is what you're about, right?
Yeah, it's Monate Outdoors, Monate Outdoors Activities. It's all about the experiences, hiking trails, camping and touring. So it's all about promoting rural and township economy through tourism. That is all about.
Yeah. So when did you start Monate experience?
We started in 2020 in March, the time where people were sitting at home during COVID-19, and then we saw the opportunity, we saw the beautiful in terms of nature, take some pictures and put it on Facebook, and then we saw that people, they like it, and then we said, okay guys, let's draw up an itinerary, and then from there, saqala sasebenza neteam esebenzisana nayo, and sebenza neteam right kakhulu. It's full of ladies and I'm a gentleman mancane kakhulu. Yeah.
So it was during lockdown?
Yes, lockdown, yeah, 2020.
So that whole experience of being indoors like was frustrating you, like I need to be outside?
Absolutely. Nokumele nje sibantu bathathe sibasuse lento yasemqondo asendlini, bahambe odistressa, bafunde ngenature, bafunde nge-environment, ne-adventure as a whole. So that umqondo wakho usuka away from normal life, your TV, your technology, ube nje kwi-nature, connect ne-nature. Now ubona ukuthi kwenzakalani, abantu baya-connect ne-nature. So iMonate, it's all about that.
So you do this full time?
Yes, we did it for full time. It's about 4 permanent people and then we've got 9 part-time people. So we are growing, slowly but surely we're growing.
Yeah. Did you ever think this is a business you want to venture into?
Aske sithi ukuhlangana nabantu aba-right, ukusebenzisana nabantu aba-right, abantu abakwazi ukushintsha i-idea, convert it to be more marketable, ibe commercial. So ukusebenzisana ne-team iyona iyakwazi ukuthi okay, susa lokhu, faka lokhu, i-itinerary siyifuni lokhu. At this izo-attract abantu lento le. Asithathe ama-pictures akanje, so it's more business and I'm really happy and I'm glad ukusebenzisana ne-team enginayo kwi-Monate.
Yeah. Do you do this throughout the year?
Yes, sine-calendar yethu esibanayo, siposta kuma-social media platform wethu Monate Outdoors Activities. Azi ukuthi 2023 senzani, ngenyanga ethile senzani, trimester senzani. So i-calendar nje 2024 izophuma before December.
So how do you monetize this kind of industry? Like how do you get money out of it to like sustain your lifestyle?
We're creating an itinerary and sell our packages to our customers, and then we start advertising through my social media platforms, nabanye nama influencers locally. Bese siyaqala ngathi kunesenza itinerary yethu sesivele sesiwenzela ama cost ethu. So the time customer likhokha sesiyazi ukuthi okay, profit. Yeah. So sipushwa leyo nto le ukuthi because this is a private company. So a private company is profit, into esidila nayo i-profit. So whatever sidayisayo siyazi ukuthi sibheke inzuzo kuyona. But namhlanje njengoba senza kanje, it was not about the profit, it's about giving back to the people. Bring Ubuntu, bring and share. You know, to celebrate June 16 ngendlela different.
Yeah. Do you experience any challenges when it comes to things like this? Because just now I witnessed someone actually like falling down and hurting themselves. What happens in situations like that where they still have to go uphill and it's not going to be like possible for them because of the situation that they're in?
So sebenzana kakhulu with Department of Health, saba informa before size kulo hiking trail sports, and then sinayo futhi into first aid la kit ikhona. So if umuntu elimele siyakwazi ukuthi simtreat there and there with sport, but for now bebe shibika nje, but at least bengayikho ilokhu injury ebakhona. So saneyo lucky ke zine iMonate asikazi sibe nama serious injuries, but if elimala siyakwazi ukumsiza, but nesibona sidinga more khona vele medical esijwayele ukuthi sisebenzisane ama local clinics siyawafonela.
So you really do recommend that you have to have an experienced person to go on hikes like these?
Yebo. Even ama-beginners, khona ama-beginners akhona around. So you have to understand them, i-pace yabo, ne-body language yabo, ma-motivate while they're still taking the trail, because it's very important ukuthi not everyone hleze kwazi ukuhike, but khona ama-beginners. Each and every trail that you are doing, khona ama-beginners.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what would you say to someone who's at home in a rural area and they want to venture into a business? Would you recommend this as a business?
This is a business as long as you put your mind and then usebenze nabantu aba-right abazi ukuthi okay they can change i-aphula balenze salad, yabo lona. So kumele usebenzisane nabantu abanjalo, hayi abantu abazothi mekubona i-aphula selishintsha libe i-fruit salad sebefuna ukudla same time. Step by step, step by step, ubuild. The more you build, the more abantu bazobona. We've got people abasuka endaweni is different township, different location. You're coming from Durban now, you're coming to Potchefstroom, yabo. So mongeke uzuze if there was no itinerary, but now ubonile konke khona and then what's up. So kumele usebenzisane nabantu and ube sebantwini ubone ukuthi kwenzakalani, yabo.
So you can't do this as a solo person, you need a team.
You can't. Ngeke uzukwazi ukuphusha uwedwa. Ave kuyimoto yakho. So you need passengers as well. Abazokutshela ukuthi ugijima kakhulu. Slow down, yabo. Yes.
What other challenges have you encountered in this kind of business?
Funding.
Oh, funding.
Funding, yeah, funding is very difficult, especially from who are coming from previously disadvantaged people. If we can get funding, yes, there are platforms that can beg you in place, but it's very difficult for tourism to get a funding. But we are trying to apply, but but we are trying.
So I know, like, along this trail, you were telling me it's very hard to get your black brothers to come on these trails.
Yeah.
They want to spend weekends,
somewhere
having something to sip on, and you want to encourage. What do you have to say to those people?
I'm saying emergency, they must try something new. As much as it's a sport, hiking is a sport itself. So abeze kuma hiking trails, kuma camping, kuma outdoors activities, bazo experience even ingane, because iMonate iqala from the age of 6 years. Ikhuphuka from enganeni abantu abadala into yama outdoors. So abeze bangabi nale mentality ukuthi mawumfana kumele ukhulu udlala ibhola kuphela. No, there's no such. There are a lot of ama sports code akhona. Hiking is one of the sports code akhona. Idila nementally hayi nomzimba wakho kuphela, but kuningi okutholayo. Connects in nature. So abeze abafowethu siza men lento iyaphilisa.
Can you just tell me about events that are coming in the pipeline?
All right, next month kumhla ka-8 ka-July sobe sine educational kids hiking. And then go September 9, so we see a weather trail, ezobe seHadingi, sithatha abantu abadala ke kuyona. And then go December, so ivala camping for 2 nights, so people can come to South Coast, so experience camping at South Coast. So it's about December. Vas follow my social media platform, Facebook Monate Outdoor Activities, Instagram @Monate_, and then go TikTok @Monate_.
Any last message for the youth? This is Youth Day, so what do you want to tell them?
Siziphatheni kahle kakhulu, sisebenzisane, singabukelani phansi, okwenzayo wenzela wena, and make sure ukuthi umuntu yamsiza, you don't break. Nanti ebalekile. Yes.
Mbongeni, thank you so much for taking this time to talk to me. I appreciate you inviting me here, and hopefully you're going to invite me to many more.
Nakanjani, educational kids hiking, you are coming. Nakutse weze Hadingi, so invite nakanjani.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.